Next, you go to the Epic Game Launcher and go to Library. In this, you have seen the Fortnite stack. Click the three dot icon and go to Manage. And go to Verify Files and click Verify. So, and you need to wait for a couple of seconds. It take a couple of seconds to verify the entire Fortnite folders and files. So after that, go to Manage, and here you can see the installation is there. Go to the installation folder, and here you need to go to the Fortnite game. Go to Binary, Win64, EC Anti-Cheat, and here EC Anti-Cheat setup is there. You need to double click it. It should run like this. If it's running like this, means it's fine. There is no problem here. So after that, go to Fortnite setup, right click it, and go to property, and go to compatibility. In this, make sure that all the options should be in disable mode. All the options should be in disable mode. Okay. After apply and click OK. And after that, you need to come back, close it, and go for third step. You need to go to CMD and click Run as Administrative. And in this, you need to type the following text. So before we check for and folders and all things, so now we checking for network side. So type ipconfig/+DNS and click enter. Then again ipconfig /release and click enter. After next third step, we need to write ipconfig /reset renew. Type it and click enter. After the fourth, you need to type netsh winsock reset. Once typing away, click enter. And the last and final and important step is netsh int IP reset. This is the important settings, so you need to type this correctly without any spelling mistake and click enter. And after the last thing, exit it. Once the thing is completed, then you need to go to settings and go to the network and internet settings and scroll down and go to advanced network settings. Go to network reset, and you need to click the reset now option. Click as. Thank you.